Employers considering the suitability of foreign domestic workers, or FDWs, can contact their previous employers during the recruitment process. That's according to Senior Parliamentary Secretary of Manpower, Low Yen Ling. She was responding to a question in Parliament on the screening of FDWs in light of incidences where FDWs had abused children and elderly. She said the Manpower Ministry will blacklist FDWs who've committed offences, and those who abuse vulnerable victims could also face enhanced penalties of up to 2 times the maximum punishments.
Other than the blacklist that I talked about, currently there is a mechanism which is the reference channel, which means if the employer is trying to recruit a prospective FDW that has worked for previous employers, the previous employer can put in reference which is available to the future prospective employer. So there is a reference channel that the employer can use to contact the FDW previous bosses, even if the FDW is not under blacklist.